Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to Food and Beverage Mania. Myself हितेंद्र पाल. आज हम आपके सामने बनाने जा रहे हैं टमाटो केचप. We are going to prepare tomato ketchup in our home. So these days you can see there are lots of tomatoes which you can easily purchase it from the market, and it is comes in the cheaper price. So it is very good to make the tomato sauce with those tomatoes, and you can preserve it for a month or a while so that you can easily use in your daily life. So welcome back. Let's see the ingredient. For making the tomato sauce, we require some fresh tomatoes, and we require some chopped garlic, chopped ginger. We require some sugar, and this is the turmeric sauce, and you can see the vinegar. And also you can use one chopping board, one knife, chopping knife, and one strainer to strain the tomato sauce. We also require some dry spices. You can see this is the red chili, dalchini, and cumin seeds. So first of all, we will chop the tomatoes. We cut into 1/4. You can see we can use the tomato, the whole tomato. We cut into the fourth piece, and we will remove this part, center part. As you can see, we have removed this part. We cut into half. Now we cut into 1/4. Now you can see we have already cut those tomatoes into 1/4. These are the four different tomatoes, quarter part. Now all the tomatoes are chopped. You can see here. Now we are going to start. Now we are using to start blanching of the tomatoes. We take this kadai and we put the oil in it. Now we put the oil and we heat it up little bit. And now we are going to put these whole spices. So first of all, we put the cumin seeds, that is called as jeera. And then dalchini, and then whole red chili. After that we will put ginger and garlic. Once the spices will little crackle, now you can smell. Wow. Smell is so good. So once you use the dry spices, you can just smell it, how the smell, then you will feel the taste. Now we put the ginger and garlic both. सो गाइज आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम आई जस्ट कम बैक। तो आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा होगा कि मेरी वीडियो आने स्टार्ट हो गई हैं। जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन मेरे को टाइम मिल रहा है ये बनाने के लिए। सो मैं रोज़ आपके लिए ट्राई करूँगा कि अच्छी से अच्छी रेसिपीज़ लाना यहाँ पे। नाउ यू कैन सी आपका जिंजर और गार्लिक भी क्रैकल हो गया है। सो नाउ वी पुट द टमाटोज इन इट। Now we add the turmeric, इमली का पानी, we also add sugar 200 gram, and now we add the vinegar. Now you can see the tomatoes we put it in the kadai. So we just stir it and then we put the plate on the top so that steam will remain inside and your tomatoes will be cooked properly and it will become a nice saucy consistency. One more thing I forgot to tell you, that is to put the salt. So we put the salt as well. Sugar we already added, but salt we didn't add. So it depends your quantity. Salt will be according to the taste. Now the tomatoes are half done, so we will little bit stir it with the ladle and we check the salt and pepper sizzling. I hope it is good. We put the salt, sugar and turmeric and vinegar, so it's a good combination of sweet and sour. So once it is cooked, then we will put it in the blender and we blend it and make the puree. Now we have just removed the tomatoes, blanched tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes blanched. Now we will put it in the jar blender and we mix it well. Now you can see the blender, the tomatoes in the blender. Now we cover it and we now you can see the tomato puree here. Now we have the tomato sauce pureed. Now we will use the strainer and we strain this tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. So we have strained all the tomato ketchup as you see here. Now your tomato sauce is ready. अब हम इसे बोतल में डाल लेंगे. So here is the tomato sauce and tomato ketchup is ready. Now we can use the tomato bottle. We fill it up using the conical strainer. Now your ketchup is ready. I have put it on the old bottle of tomato ketchup. So it looks like the same as the previous one, the tomato ketchup. Alright, thank you so much.